Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. It is a geography class. Dear students, in previous classes, we discussed about the peninsular plateau and the Indian desert. Today, we will discuss about the coastal plains and the island groups of India. Dear students, the peninsular plateau is flanked the stretch of narrow coastal plains. It means the coastal plains are not so wider like the northern plains. Running along the Arabian Sea, the coastal plains running along the Arabian Sea on the west coast or on the west is called the western coastal plains. Running along the Arabian Sea on the west is called western coastal plains. Its shape is like of sandwich between Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, and its shape is narrower than the eastern coastal plains. It consists of three sections. It means the western coastal plains consists three sections. They are divided in three sections. The northern part of the coast or northern part of this plain is called the Konkan coast or Konkan, running through from Mumbai to Goa. The central part is called Kannur Plains. The central part is called Kannur Plain, while the southern part is called Malabar Coast in the state of Kerala. It is the western coastal plains. Now, we will discuss about the eastern coastal plains. The plains running along the Bay of Bengal. The plains running along the Bay of Bengal is known as the eastern coastal plains. Its northern part is referred to as the northern Sarkar or northern Sirakar, while southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. It means the eastern coastal plains is divided into two sections. The northern part of the eastern coastal plains is called northern Sirakar or northern Sarkar, and the southern part of the eastern coastal plains is called Coromandel. They are wider than the western coastal plains. The large rivers, the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri form the great deltas in eastern coastal plains. Saltwater Chilka Lake, located in the state of Odisha, is an unique feature of the eastern coastal plains. Now we come to the island groups of India. Besides, as we know, as we have discussed, that India has a vast mainland. Besides of the vast mainland in India, it has two groups of islands. They are Lakshadweep, located in Arabian Sea, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. First of all, we discuss about the Lakshadweep Island groups. The Lakshadweep Islands group is located in the Malabar coast of Kerala. This group of islands is composed of coral polyps. Earlier, they were known as Lakadweep, Minicoy, and Amindive. What were the Lakshadweep island groups were known? Earlier they were known as Lakadweep, Minicoy, and Amindive. In 1973, these were known as Lakshadweep. Its geographical area is only 32 square kilometers. Sometimes an objective question may be asked to you, that what is the geographical area of the island groups of Lakshadweep? Then only 32 square kilometer is geographical area of the island groups of Lakshadweep or Lakshadweep island groups. Kavaratti is the headquarter or administrative headquarter of the Lakshadweep island group. It has great diversity of flora and fauna. The uninhabited Piti Island is a bird sanctuary in Lakshadweep island groups. Dear students, we have seen that Lakshadweep island group is composed of coral polyps. Then it is important to know about the coral polyps. The coral polyps are short